Welcome, beautiful face devotion institute. We have a large crowd watching us today. Let's see who got the most likes.
It's probably me.
Wow, I skip over 28,000 likes. OMG, I wish I was that well liked. You must choose between immunity into the final 10 or the removal of another contestant's face. Oh, that's an easy choice, Ice Cube. You don't need immunity. Everyone loves you.
Everyone loves you.
Good point. I picked this one. How does it work? You can choose one contestant to lose their face. I'll go for Pin. What? Why me again? Revenge. You made a wonderful choice. Wait, before you remove my face, I want to say my final words. First off, Woody, I am sorry for kicking you 4 years ago. You really didn't deserve it. You were the nicest person on the team. Would be anything less than the one I love you. Now you wish you hadn't stopped us from going to Match's dance party, huh?
Has anybody found my microscope? I can't find it anywhere.
Maybe it fell out one of Fry's tables.
No, I didn't spend any time near those.
Well, not my problem. Corny is safe with only 4,000 dislikes.
Oh yeah. So what's today's flavor of cake?
Oh, plain cake. You don't like that? Well, maybe this can make a difference. You still don't like it? Really good. Also safe are needle, book, Ruby, Bonnie, and tennis ball.
Splendid job, Ruby. We survived. Yay! But I wouldn't need that. You don't know where it came from.
Pin is also safe.
Oh man, that means I'm in the bottom 5.
You are, but with only 7,000 dislikes, you aren't in the bottom 4.
You?
Oh no, I see it's down to Bozo, Buttface, Spongy, and the two of us. That is incredibly rude, Petal. By defining features, my brain, not my Buttface. So you agree? Why do you agree? You have a pencil and golf ball. Need to stop fighting. They are both safe. We hope Ice Cube is safe.
What? Wait, you guys think I'm Spongy's ally? I'm not. Okay, fine. I hope Spongy is safe.
Let's show the votes. Yay! Spongy, you have been eliminated. Wait, before you fling him, Spongy, Corny, at the Eiffel Tower, I recall hearing that you two have some unresolved conflict. You guys deserve resolution. Wanna talk it out now before it's too late?
I actually do have a lot I want to say about that incident. I have a whole speech lined up. But I'll let Spongy go first. Do you have anything you want to tell me? No!
He's so eloquent.